In this tutorial, I'll show you how to embed a script document into your Weebly website. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com. Then sign in to your Weebly account. Click Website, select Edit Site and choose the website where you want to embed the document. Then click Edit to open the Weebly editor. Next, open a new tab and go to scribd.com. Sign into your Scribd account and open the document you want to embed. Once the document loads, click Share or Embed, depending on the available options, then copy the embed code. Return to your Weebly editor and make sure you're on the Build tab. In the left panel, find the embed code element. If you don't see it, click Show All Elements to display the complete list. Drag the embed code element onto the page where you want the script document to appear. Click the element, then select Edit Custom HTML. Paste the script embed code into the HTML box. After pasting the code, click outside the editor to apply the changes. The script document will appear in the selected area of your page. Preview your website to make sure the document displays correctly, then click Publish to make the changes live. That's how to embed a script document into a Weebly website. Thanks for watching.